Uninstalling SOPHOS with tamper protection issue. Struggling to uninstall SOPHOS because tamper protection keeps blocking you? Let me show you a clever way around it. First, let's disable SOPHOS by rebooting into Advanced Boot Options. Open your command prompt as an admin. Yes, you need those superpowers. Now, type this command, shutdown /r/o, then hit enter. Your machine will reboot into the recovery menu. Once your PC restarts, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Command Prompt. Sounds like a secret mission, right? After selecting your admin account, your PC will reboot again and open Command Prompt. Now, let's dive into the Windows directory. By default, you're on the X drive. Switch to the C drive by typing C and pressing Enter, then navigate with cd windows /system32/drivers. Here's the trick. Rename the sophos ed.sys driver to disable it temporarily. Just type ren sophos ed.sys sophos ed.sys.old and hit Enter. Step 2 takes us to the registry editor. Press Win+S, type registry editor, and open it. Ready to tweak some settings? Ed TA key _local machine system current control set services Sophos MC's agent. On the right, double-click Start and set its value data to 4. Next, visit EE key _local machine system current control set services Sophos endpoint defense tamper protection services. Set every protected subkey to 0. Finally, navigate to a key _local machine system current control set services Sophos endpoint defense tamper protection config and set seed enabled to 0. You're almost there. Restart your computer normally. Tamper protection is now off, and SOPHOS uninstall won't throw roadblocks anymore. Go ahead and uninstall SOPHOS the usual way. No more annoying protection stopping you in your tracks. Remember, these steps require admin rights and a careful touch. Messing with system files and registry can be risky, so proceed with caution. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below and I'll help you untangle those tricky SOPHOS issues. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more tech hacks that make your life easier. Stay savvy,